Is they need a full-fledged audit to find out exactly who their buddies are and who's getting the bailout. And the Fed, right, it is. So you knew the next step. Very good.
Will remain a danger to the Federal Reserve System as well. Yes. And the Fed, right, and the Fed. Yeah.
We need to rein in the Federal Reserve System.
Max and the Fed, Max. Max and the Fed. Max and the Fed, Max. Max and the Fed.
Don't you think it's about time we had a new monetary policy? And the Fed, right, end it.
Max and the Fed, Max. Max and the Fed.
We have to have another gimmick. And that gimmick was invented in 1913. It was made a disaster in 1971. And that is the destruction of the currency through an illegal operation, an unconstitutional operation of the Federal Reserve System, which we should address and have a full audit and find out where and how they're spending all their money.
Max and the Fed, Max. Max and the Fed.
One important issue for prosperity to thrive, you have to have an honest monetary system. Do it to themselves because it's non-viable. They cannot persist because the funny money system, the fiat system, the paper money system makes no sense whatsoever and is coming to an end.
Max and the Fed, Max. Max and the Fed. Max and the Fed, Max. Max and the Fed.
Thank you, thank you.